UCertify offers Oracle Java SE Programmer 1 certification prep for Java programmers. So start your prep for Oracle Java SE Programmer 1 certification exam from today with UCertify. To be an Oracle Java SE Programmer 1 certified professional, you'll have to pass 1Z0-808 exam. Oracle 1Z0-808 exam covers Java basics, handling exceptions, using loop constructs, working with inheritance, creating and using arrays, working with Java data types, working with methods and encapsulation, using operators and decision constructs, and working with selected classes from the Java API. In UCertify course, you'll be receiving 145 practice questions. It includes 8 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 121 flashcards, 111 quizzes, and 121 cross-ref terms. The course has 6 sets of practice tests with hundreds of items to ensure effective learning outcome. Finally, once your Java readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from UCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to handle exceptions, use arrays, operators, and decision constructs, use selected classes from the Java API, inheritance, Java data types. To explore more about UCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/oracle/1Z0-808. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.